Today we're going to go over how to use a fashion sequins foot. This foot is really great for attaching like strings of sequins or ribbon or rickrack onto any project. In the front you can see it has this little slot, and that's where you insert your ribbon or rickrack or sequins. Over here is a wheel, so this is adjustable. You can move it in closer or further away. This big area right here is where your needle can zigzag or straight stitch through. So to install it, all you need to do is take off the foot you have on, including the shank. And there we go, we're ready to sew. Now that we have our foot installed, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to sew some sequins ribbon. Right now I have a top stitching needle and some red embroidery thread to match this. You can also use some monofilament thread, just make sure you use like a metallic needle. So we have our sequins, we want to push it through this little slot right here. And I have my zigzag at a 7.0 width and my length at a 4.0. So what's really cool about this foot is it really isn't just for sequins. You can put any kind of ribbon in there or trim that is smaller than 3/8 of an inch. There we go, a great way to add trim and rickrack and sequins to your projects.